When the power goes out or a breaker trips, the last thing you want is to open a breaker panel full of mystery switches. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to label your electrical panel correctly, and why every homeowner should do it. Step 1. Turn off and test each breaker one at a time. Have someone help you turn off one breaker at a time while they check which outlets or lights shut off. Use a plug-in tester or lamp for confirmation. This step is key to getting accurate labels. Step 2. Write clear, specific labels. Don't just write bedroom, instead use master bedroom, outlets and lights, kitchen, fridge, and microwave circuit. The more detail, the better, especially for future upgrades or troubleshooting. Step 3. Use printed or laminated labels. Avoid faded handwriting. Use a label maker or printed strips that are clear and durable. Apply them directly on the panel door or beside each breaker. Step 4. Create a master circuit directory sheet. Create a simple circuit map. Print and laminate it. Tape it to the inside of the panel door for quick access during emergencies or inspections. Bonus tip: group breakers. Logically, group similar circuits together, like all kitchen circuits in one section, bedroom outlets together, HVAC on its own. This makes future upgrades and repairs faster for you or your electrician. Labeling your panel is one of the simplest ways to improve your home's safety, and it's often overlooked. Check out the tools and label kits we recommend below, grab your free home electrical safety checklist, and subscribe for more smart homeowner tips from Gillett Electric.